Oopsie daisy, I hurt you again. Crushed your heart in the palm of my hands. If you walk out, baby, I'll understand. 'Cause all I do is hurt you.
Oopsie daisy, I met you again. Got Jamal in the palm of my hand. Stop now, maybe I'll understand. 'Cause all I do is murk you.
I know Chipmunk might just run out of heart. Youngs don't run out of heart. I don't wanna see your big head at wireless. I'll make sure you get run out the park. Run out the park, run out Jamal. I didn't wanna do this, why did you start? Told them man that you weren't gonna send. Now it looks like I'm gonna have to light up your clock. Pre-recorded, no. You got a snake in your circle, fam. You're gonna dread that you even replied. It's like you want me to go Merkle, man. You can make up all the lies you want. You don't want me to get personal, fam. No girl ain't got no restraining order on me. Is that how bad I hurt you, fam? Always screaming North London. You're a big man, that's pathetic. Like I don't know you live round Essex. You little Towie boy, man, forget it. No fabrications, no edits. I used to rate you, now you can get it. I used to rate you, what you wanna merit. But when I see you, fam, don't leg it. Talking about who you spun before. Fam, do you think that I care? About spin me out on my March, yeah, like I can't just buy another pair. I bet you wear brands with no label. You've been wearing Elise all year. I won't be surprised if next month you don't try and bring back no fear. Yeah, you was right, fam, it's not that time. You got spun by a rapper on grime. Yeah, the art's sitting about crept and cone. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Don't get why you talk about tots that time. When you got jacked in tots that time. Yeah, take off your hood, no, it's not that time. Remember you got jacked for your tots that time. Now you talk about Tiny's mum. I dare to come out of your mouth like you didn't leave your mum in North London. Tiny, go and buy his mum a new house. What the hell you got in that man bag? Oh shit, he's got a burn in the brow. I don't wanna hear you talk about no women when you always got men in your house. You're not the president of T. You against me ain't where you wanna be. You said you fuck better than me. Why was you asking about my D? I have to run my jaw, man, it's strange. Said a Lambo weren't out of your range. Funny story, you got a smart car, fam. Don't ever get out of your lane. How the fuck do you get to your shows? How the fuck do you drive with your woes? I got a big whip, I can have a threesome in. You ain't even got space to get blows. Look at the path you chose. I can do this on my own. This child chose his destiny, and I think that everyone knows. Now they can watch me show. When they all come to my shows, they say my name, say my name. You know how the song goes. Designer from head to your toe. You were swagging the way that you rocked it, but that's when you know a man's lost it. When the only thing he gets is the boxes. Yeah, I know I didn't get on the album, but you didn't get onto Wretches. You didn't get onto Skeptors. Now tell me who's been neglected. I'm the Michelle with PD. Well, let me put the light on you. You're Latoya of North. My man got kicked out the crew. Cause I see Wretch and I see Skep, but I never ever see them with you. Go on then, go on then, go on then, say it ain't true. Don't talk tough, you little actress. You never been on badness. I can see into the future. I can make your March Madness. Dickhead. Oh, you thought I was done? Smart, you work out. Smart, you work out. Smart, you work out. Smart, you work out. Oopsie daisy, I just murked you again. I just murked you again. Oopsie daisy, I just murked you again. I just murked you again. Oopsie daisy, I just murked you again.